Hi, it's Fia again. Welcome to Love Letter. Okay, so meron tayong babasahin ulit, no? Na love letter. Pero syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga love letter. Oo, na ating babasahin dito. Malay mo, love letter mo na pala ito. Okay, so yeah, this is short lang na message para sa someone niya. Okay, pero yes, lahat naman ay welcome, no? Lahat welcome, kung ano pa yan, kung anong message yung gusto mong sabihin, gusto mo ditong iparating, ilabas. Oh, yes, so go na go, o diba? So, okay, so this is for... So, ang tawag niya sa kanyang person ay Geng. So, this letter is for you, Geng, from Miss C. Okay. So, sabi niya, ito yung lalaman ng love letter niya. So, hi, Geng. I love you and I miss you every day. I know things have changed and are different now. But I'm still hoping for the universe and divine timing for us to be aligned and bring us back together. By that time, hope we are both healed. Forgive each other and will give us a chance to have a complete and loving family with our son. Hopefully, when the time is right, we will find each other again. So sweet. So brief, no? Maikli lamang. So, that's letter is galing kay Miss C. So, again, sana matagpuan mo, no? Itong letter na to, Geng. Galing kay Miss C. Anyway, so, sabi ko nga, short man or mahabang mensahe man yan, open na open yan dito sa love letter. Okay, so again, sa mga gusto mag-send ng kanilang mga love messages sa kanilang mga someone, yes, open ang love letter, message lang kayo, i-message nyo lang yung ating page, okay? So, nasa comment section or sa description box below yung link ng ating FB page para doon po kayo mag-message, no? So, again, yeah, this is Fia and this is Love Letter. Bye!